damn it, Louis! What is taking so long? Go, go, go! Who the hell is that, Louis? A security guard, just drive! Did you get the diamond?
Yup, smooth sailing, didn't even trigger the alarms.
Then why the hell did you kidnap this guy? We weren't supposed to take hostages!
Don't worry about it!
I'm serious, Louis! What if he's packing?
Oh, he's packing already.
The fuck you say it like that for?
Nothing! Don't worry about it!
Sharp turn coming up!
Oh, are you okay, baby?
Who the hell are you calling baby?
Nobody! Stop eavesdropping on my private conversation!
We're in a car, Louis! Okay, that's it! Explain to me what the hell is happening between you and the security guard, or I'm keeping the diamond and I'm throwing you out!
Fine, it kind of ruins the fun, but...
We're doing a sex thing!
I don't say it.
What the fuck you mean?
You know, like we're doing a role play.
We're doing a robbery!
We're doing both.
God damn it, the cops! Alright, well is this guy a security guard or not?
No, he's just dressed like a security guard. I told him I was doing this job and he thought it sounded super hot. So we came up with this whole scenario where he'd come with me and I'd pretend to kidnap him and while stealing the diamond, and then later on we'll bone each other's brains out.
That don't make no sense.
Sure it does. You don't understand how role-playing works?
Why the fuck would you bring your boyfriend?
Wait, no. I'm not his boyfriend.
Charlie is a polysexual, aromantic, kinky rope bunny who I met on field 2.5 weeks ago. Don't make it weird.
I'm not making it weird. And what the hell you mean you met in a field?
Not in a field, on field. The #1 dating app for kink and sex-positive individuals. Perfect for people who want to explore their gender, sexuality, or desire outside of the traditional blueprint of cis-het relationship norms.
Jesus Christ, Louis! Honk! Honk right now! Why the hell would I honk?
The bumper sticker! It says honk if you love eating ass!
Isn't this guy great?
Alright, that's it! I want you two freaks out of my car right now!
Yell at me again, Daddy.
Don't rob yourself of a good time. Find your kinky rope bunny today. Download Field for iPhone and Android. We won't judge.